What's going on, everyone? Chase here, and today I want to talk about how my AI makes me over $1,000 a day while I scroll on YouTube and just look at trending videos. Now, this is something that you can do even if you're a complete beginner. It's very simple to do, and you're probably not going to make $1,000 a day starting out, so don't think that that's going to happen immediately. But if you put in the right steps, you could start making some sales pretty quickly with the strategy I'm about to share with you. So this method has got me thousands and thousands of views. And what I'm doing is I'm taking viral content that I'm able to find on places like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and I'm reacting to it with an AI clone of myself. So here's what we're going to cover today. Number one, we're going to show you how to find these trending videos. Number two, I'm going to show you how to grab the videos, put them into a free editing tool. Number three, I'm going to show you how to use a cloned version of your voice or of a pre-made voice so that you can react to the video with different products that I'm going to be giving you in this video. I'm going to give you a free checklist of hundreds of different products that you can actually get paid to promote in these videos. Okay, so let's cover step one. How do we find these viral videos? What we're going to do is we're going to head over to a private browser on Google Chrome, and we're going to go to YouTube. And when we scroll down, we're going to see all of the most recent trending short videos. Now, if we click through these videos, we can figure out which videos we like and don't like. It's completely up to you. I would just recommend you find videos that have over 1 million views. And if you don't like the videos that show up, just refresh your browser and you'll get a whole new set of videos. All right, now that you've found a few videos, what I recommend is just save the links in either a spreadsheet or send a message to yourself or an email, because we like to make these videos in bulk. And so I send these to myself on my Discord, and then what I do is I go through each of them later on and I download the videos and I add them to a free tool called CapCut. CapCut is a simple editing tool that you can either use on your phone or your computer, and that's the best part about this method is you don't necessarily have to do this on a computer. You can just use your phone. So however you decide to download CapCut, download it on your phone or your computer, and then you're going to drag that clip into CapCut because that's going to be the first part of your video. As far as generating a voice and a reaction, before we do that, we want to figure out what are we going to say in this video. Now, in most of our videos, the ones that we create with our AI clone, we go and use a simple script around showing people how they can, instead of wasting their time watching these videos, they can actually get paid to go and make them or react to them. So again, if you're watching this video and you spend a lot of time scrolling on TikTok, you can show people how they can stop wasting their time and get paid to start downloading these videos and react to them as well. And then you can provide a product around that. So let me just give you an example with a video that we've already made, and then you can see exactly how we're going and plugging one of our own products.
Hold on, did you know that you could actually get paid to watch viral videos like this? Yes, you may find this weird, but let me show you how. Every time you see a viral video like this, download it and add it to an editing software. Next, find a product to promote on ClickBank and grab your affiliate link. Now create a review video for that product and make sure to add the viral video as an intro. Every time somebody buys through your link, you'll get paid. For the full training, go to viralaiclone.com or reply with the word training right now.
Now, if you want to use one of our scripts, you can go ahead and do that. All you have to do is go to the video, take the transcript, and then rewrite it for whatever product you want to promote. And by the way, as I said earlier, if you don't know what product to promote, go ahead and promote any of the products that we give you on a free checklist. This is hundreds of different tools that have affiliate programs that you can sign up for, and you can get paid just to promote links to those tools. Now, once you get a script, what you're going to do is you're going to head over to 11 Labs, and inside of 11 Labs, you're going to either clone your own voice by going to Instant Voice Clone, and you're going to upload a clip of your voice and then clone your own voice that you're going to use, or you can just use a pre-made voice. It doesn't actually really matter whether it's your voice or somebody else's voice. The point is, can you get views? And if you can get views, you can get leads. If you can get leads, you can get sales. So put your script into the 11 Labs tool, generate the MP3, and then you're gonna download that MP3 and drag it into CapCut after you do the first part of the video, which is just the viral clip. All right, last thing you have to do is just add some B-roll. You can add screenshots, or you can use free stock video websites like pexels.com to download images or videos and just put that on top of the voice. And then the only other thing than that I would recommend is just use captions. You're gonna go ahead and do the auto caption method. I like to use the Bangers font on CapCut, and then I just hit export and the video's done. Now, by the way, this is a very brief overview of how this whole system works. There's so much more that you can do with this. You can automate your posting. You can outsource all of this to virtual assistants so they can do all of this for you. In fact, most of the videos that are on my channel are all outsourced to other people. And so you can actually teach this as a skill to somebody that you hire, that you pay $3 or $4 an hour, and you can have them go and make these videos for you and post them for you. You can also acquire brands. So we have a team that goes out and messages different brands and sees if they're interested in selling their brands and their accounts. And then we can actually put our AI cloned content on these accounts. So if you want to check out the full method, I recommend go to the bottom of this page if you're already on it and grab our full system so you can walk yourself through it, or you can hand it to your team and have them do it for you. But hopefully that made sense. If it did, let me know. We'll see you in the next one. Till we do, happy money making. We'll see you, bye.